I've helped collectors buy and sell millions in rare collectibles. The sale prices in this video are all backed by real data from top auction houses like Heritage. I know what makes coins and currency valuable, and today I'll break it down for you. We are going over the top 5 most valuable pennies in history. These pennies are worth big bucks, and this is what you need to be looking out for on your penny coins. So let's hop into it, guys. Starting off with this coin from 1909. This coin sold for $258,500. That's over $250,000 for a little penny coin. Can you believe it? Well, don't take my word for it. You can see on Heritage Auctions, this is exactly how much it actually sold for. Crazy, right? Well, if you didn't know, 1909 was the first year of issue for the wheat cent penny coin, like this one that you see here. The important thing about this coin is that there are 4 different types of varieties that you need to look out for on your 1909 coin, and we're going to go over them right now. So first, you have the 1909. Then you have a 1909S. The S mint mark below the date stands for the San Francisco Mint. If you have no mint mark, that means it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. The third variety is going to be a 1909 no mint mark with VDB on the back. The last and most valuable variety for this coin is going to be the 1909 SVDB. The VDB is located on the back bottom center of the coin. So when they first started making these coins, they wanted to include the engraver and designer's initials on this coin. VDB stands for Victor David Brenner, who is the engraver and designer, and after a short period of time, the United States decided to scrap the initials on the coin because it was a bit distracting. So from the beginning of the mint run, only until a short time after, they had VDB on the coins, and then the rest of the mint run, there was no VDB on the back of these coins, which means the ones with VDB are much more rare and valuable. This example you see on the screen is a 1909 no mint mark VDB. So it's the less valuable type, but it is graded so highly by PCGS, and it's such a beautiful color that it was sold for $258,500. 372,000 buckaroos for this 1943 cent coin. This one was graded by PCGS at a mint state 62. This coin was also certified by CAC, which is a third-party company. So after you get your coin graded, if it's a high dollar coin, you could send it off to CAC, and they will essentially grade the grade to make sure that the grade is indeed accurate. Now, why did this coin sell for so much money? Well, it mainly comes down to the rarity of the type. What I mean by that is essentially in 1943, the United States needed bronze for ammunition, so what they did was they transitioned into a zinc-coated steel planchet that looks silver. This coin was accidentally struck on a bronze planchet, making it incredibly rare and valuable. If you have one, you're in for a treat because $372,000 it sold for. $408,000 this 1944 S 1 cent coin sold for. So similar to the previous coin, in 1944, they transitioned back to the bronze planchet. So this coin should have actually been struck on a bronze planchet, but it was accidentally struck on a zinc-coated steel planchet. Pretty cool, right? This coin got graded by PCGS at a mint state 66. It does have a CAC sticker, and it sold for $408,000. $504,000 for this 1943 S 1 cent coin. This one got graded by PCGS at a mint state 63 brown. There's also a CAC sticker on this coin, but essentially it is the same deal here, guys. These coins were all meant to be struck on a zinc-coated steel stamp planchet, but this one accidentally got the bronze planchet once again. This is pretty much the most famous coin when it comes to Lincoln cent coins, just because of the history and story behind them. In fact, Henry Ford once put an ad in the newspaper saying that he was trying to acquire one of these really rare coins. If you have one, you must find a rare coin expert because this one sold for over $500,000. $840,000. Once again, 1943 coin struck on a bronze planchet. It's mainly going to come down to a few factors, guys. First of all, it's going to be that grade. The higher the grade, the more money your coin's going to be worth. Another huge factor that played into the fact of this coin selling for $840,000 is going to be the market. Market timing's huge when it comes to the value of your coin. If you sell your coin at a market high versus a market low, simply you're going to get more money. That's what this person did. They did get a bit lucky here. They could have gotten $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, but instead they sold it at a beautiful time and acquired $840,000. We hope you enjoyed this video, guys. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.